Hello dear children, welcome back to our science class. Okay, so we discussed our third chapter, natural resources, and today's our topic is what? Rocks and minerals. Okay, rocks and minerals also is our natural resource. Okay, so what is rock? All of you know our earth is covered with the rocks and soil. Okay, the rocks are weathered to form the soil. Rock is very hard and for the actions of the rain, pressure, wind, and also the sunlight. They because of their action, the rocks is break down into very small, fine, lightweight form of soil. Is it? And also, and before that, and after and formation of the soil, the first form of the soil is the rocks. So that is why our earth is covered with the rocks, and also they are made up of different materials. Okay, our rocks is also contain so many different materials, and also the rocks are of several kinds. Okay, the rocks are of several kinds. And they are mainly the rocks are, we can classify, we can group, we can divide the rocks into three groups. We can divide the rocks into three. Okay, the very first one is igneous rocks. The first one is igneous rocks. The second one is sedimentary rocks. Second one is sedimentary rocks. And the third one is, that is metamorphic rock. The third one is metamorphic rock. So, igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. These are the three types of rocks that presents or they are found in the earth crust. Okay. First we discussed about the igneous rock. What is igneous rocks? All of you heard about the volcano. Is it the volcano eruption? Okay, and by the volcano eruption, the lava is coming out. All of you know what is lava? The lava is the that is a liquid form of magma that presents inside the rocks. And when the volcano eruption, the lava is oozed out, flow to the outsides, all the sides of the mountains, and then the volcano has the lava has cooled and hardened. When the lava is when the volcano eruptions take place, the lava is fell down to all the directions, and then the lava is cooled and become very hard. The lava of the volcano is cooled and hard, and the igneous rocks are formed. That is by the igneous rocks formed. So igneous rocks is formed by what are the methods? By the volcano eruption, the lava is filled out and the lava is cooled and hardened to form igneous rocks. The lava cooled and hardened to form igneous rocks. Okay, the best example of igneous rock is granite. Okay, the best example of igneous rock is that is granite. Granite. What are the uses of granite? Granite is used to make the buildings and also to statues. The granite is also used to make the roads. Is it? And sometimes they can polished and they can also make some different shapes and used to make the our kitchen purposes. Okay, our floor purpose. Granite. Is it? The granite is used to kitchen counters in the houses too. So granite is the type of igneous rocks. When the volcano eruption take place, the lava cooled and hardened to form the igneous rocks. Best example is granite. The granite is used to make the rods, statues, kitchen counters, etc. These are the main use of the granite. Granite is example of igneous rocks. Clear? The second one is sedimentary rocks. Sediment means settle down, isn't it? The sediment rocks are formed by the clay and sand. They also deposited in many layers in so many years. The clay and the sand is deposited from the layers for so many years. Then the sedimentary rocks are formed by the settlement of clay and sand so many years for layers, and they form the sedimentary rocks. Best example of sedimentary rocks are sandstone and limestone. Sandstone and the limestones are the example of what sedimentary rocks are, and they are used to make the house buildings, etc. And the limestone is used to make the cement. Limestone is used to make the cement. The sandstone and limestone together make to used to for building purposes. Okay, so sedimentary rocks are the sediment rocks is the rocks that make the deposition of the clay and the sand for so many years. It's a form of layers and the deposit for so many years. Sandstone and the sandstone and the limestone are the example of sedimentary rocks, and these are used to make the building purpose, and limestone used to make the cement. Clear? So, igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks. The last one is metamorphic rocks. What is metamorphic rocks? The metamorphic rocks are the type of igneous and sedimentary rocks, and they have to some changes. They had to occurring some changes because of the action of heat and pressure. By the action of the heat and pressure, the igneous rocks and sediment rocks have make some changes and to form metamorphic. Metamorphic means changes. So igneous rocks and sediment rocks are changed to form the metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks are take the changes and to form the metamorphic rocks by the action of what? Extreme heat and extreme pressure. Okay, by the action of the extreme heat and extreme pressure, the igneous rocks and the sedimentary rocks had take some changes and to make the metamorphic rocks. Clear? Okay, the best example is marble. All of you familiar with the marble now? And they are used to make the building construction. They use it to the construction of buildings. And another one is quartz. In page number 177, there is a picture. Quartz is used to make the clocks and rituals. Okay, clock and wristwatch, they used to make the quartz. Quartz is a type of metamorphic rocks. It is used by jewelers and the laboratory equipments too. They are used to the some jewelries and the laboratory equipments. They can be also used. Rocks, and we know the rocks are gradually they become some changes. They better to form the fine soils. Okay, so the rocks are the one of the natural resource of our earth, and the rocks change to form the soil, make some actions of the heat, sun, rain, pressure, etc. And the type of rocks are igneous rocks, sediment rocks and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks are the rocks that form from the volcanic eruption. The lava cooled and hardened to form the igneous rocks. Then sediment rocks are the clays and sands are deposited so many years and to make the sediment rocks. And the igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks have some changes and to make the metamorphic rocks. So this is about the rocks and minerals. So all of you, please read the page number 177, and wishing a good day to all. Thank you.